What are you doing in my house?
Oi, Rube, I said pledge me fealty!
You what? Who the hell are you? Why are you wearing that dumb hat? I'll be honest, bud, I have no idea who you are.
How dare you disrespect me? I am your god ruler! Bow down to me! You will help me on my quest!
What on earth are you babbling about? Now listen here. According to the 7th edition of American Presidency Origins...
Listen here! This right here was given to me as my divine right to rule. It represents my divine right to rule. I am a king! I am a golden god!
The only thing you are is a nut. I don't have time for this.
No, you cannot do this! I am a king!